Business paragraph number 12. In his statement, which had been circulated with the report and accounts, the chairman said, at home the trading profits of the company have been well maintained in spite of the fact that costs have continued to rise. This has only been possible as a result of intensive selling, which has led to a greatly increased demand for our products. This in its turn has already placed a considerable strains on our productive facilities, but we believe that it would not be wise in view of existing world economic situation for us to embark upon any further large scale capital development for the present. We hope that our new export factory will be completed within the next few months, and that new plant and machinery will soon be installed in another of our factories. New para. When this has been done, I think you will agree with me that we shall be able to congratulate ourselves on having built up an organization which is capable of meeting any difficult times which may lie ahead. During the year, the value of the sales of all our products increased by 19%. We are continuing to the maximum all the year round and reducing the price of our products. In Australia, trading conditions were seriously affected in the early part of the year by shortages of certain raw materials, and towards the end of the year, there was a decrease in the demand for our products, due to the economic situation. Since the end of the year, trading in Australia has been even more unsettled, but there are signs that there is likely to be an improvement in the near future. New para. Our South African company had another good year of trading and has achieved record sales. The new factory, which has started there 6 months ago, is now nearly finished and should be in production in time for the next summer session. Last autumn, I paid a visit to Canada in order to study the possibilities of increasing our sales in that country. I think that there is, without any doubt, comma, a growing market. Therefore, some of our products, if we can obtain suitable manufacturing facilities over there, comma, but it will not be easy to acquire them because of the present restrictions on currency. Full stop. We hope, comma, however, comma, that we shall soon solve this problem. Full stop.